Hey guys, I'm about to head home. About to surprise Swaggy. If you wonder why the surprise, I've been away from home doing some coaching. What do they call it? Coach's degree, I guess so. Yeah, I've been away for a few days, so got Swaggy some stuff, and I'm about to head home. I know she's gonna be surprised because I'm not supposed to be home today. Yes, so I'm gonna keep the video rolling while I'm driving. Let me see the reaction. That's even if they're home, because at this time of the day they like to go to the pool and so I can take them for a walk, but I can see the baby stroller on the veranda, so that means they're home. Only thing I'm wondering is like he's sleeping. Oh, I can see the boys. All that. See you there. So we are run come. 3 days in don't see daddy. Watch your dog your face. Hey, we got your teeth. Oh man.
Yeah, Daddy!
Hey. How you guys doing? You surprised Daddy's home early?
Yeah, did you got something for us?
Yeah, hey Leo.
Dad, did you got something? Yes, Dad, did you got something for us?
Love you, miss you
I
guys.
mean, me and Ronaldo was talking about we wish that you were here earlier.
Earlier, and see? Alright, so you get the surprise. So here, oh, I forgot this. So can somebody take this for me?
Ice cream.
Hold it good. Ronaldo, this is for you.
I missed what? But you
Auntie
said
Jody.
I'm coming on Thursday.
Auntie Jody, give you a birthday gift. Hold it like this. So do
Daddy, but
hold the ice cream, Ronaldo. Don't drop the ice cream, you know. You can't get that.
like take that. Wait, that's my ice cream.
It's our ice cream. Everybody ice cream.
That my gift.
Hey.
You said you were coming on Thursday.
Let me give this to mommy. So who's gonna give this to mommy? I'm giving me your gift.
Wait, we're gonna surprise.
You're gonna surprise her.
My gift.
What's
That's my
that?
gift from Auntie Jody. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Who's that? Who's that blessing over there?
Check what's inside.
Miluchka. Oh, she smile. Yeah, well, what is smile? You're ready.
You're such a nice gift.
Allah, you never ready. You know, we get a kiss. Look at you. Miluchka. That's what we made for me touch you. Yes, guys, so again I give.
Let's read this gift.
Hey, oh, go on.
Happy
Think we have a skirt. I wanted to pose with them Bridget sandals.
You mean Vice Cartel? So Vice Cartel have to do that.
Pose with him daughter and take off a boy sandals.
When that?
Just no recently.
I'm not opening it.
A lie.
Nice.
You know, say I just go visit Auntie Jody for that and see this place and I decide say. Yeah. You mean
What happened to go?
No, go cool. I need to put it on his head. I think this one came out. You can fix it. I need to push it down.
Oh.
And so these gifts are from Auntie Jody. You're gonna.
We never had Bridget before, no?
So you know what Bridget? You know what I mean?
What do you mean? A Bridget sandal.
A Bridget sandal.
Daddy, I don't
Authentic.
Daddy, I don't think it can fix it.
Let me check it for you.
It smell like leather. Smell like a real leather. You hear the smell? Real leather smell.
Watch out, she can't stop smell. I know it's why a girl love nice things.
Yeah, but honestly, thank
You
you.
like them? Hope it can fit. Let me say me have 1 month to bring it back. You want to try it on, please?
7, no man.
You sure?
You ready to bring it back?
No, put me like, me that hold me like about dirty and you know me come on for the feel.
Let me try.
So can I put it up on the...
Yeah, you can tell the guys. I threw me in the house with 3 picnic. So, and 3-4 days. So
Yeah,
for 3
yeah,
or
since
4
we did,
days.
yeah, sure for you.
See? So you see, and me not in a pretty business. So sorry, pre-appearance. Already.
Yeah, and it's a surprise, yeah.
But
So I caught it off guard.
yeah.
So I was telling everybody that your mommy okay, she reached back and I just eye issues where she gone back.
And nobody can find what's wrong with her.
Yeah, so nobody. So yeah, guys, she was thinking that here locally she never get like the right information, but she go home and the same thing. Nothing really wrong with her.
The Jamaican doctor told her she might had a pre-stroke or stroke.
Yeah. Not at all.
So I don't know.
So send her home for nothing at all, I guess. So we go send back to grandma.
Hey, Mila wants a sandal.
Mila, you want to send us? You Hey, I wonder if we didn't name Bridget Sanders sell kiddies. Watch me a dance.
Go cheese.
Hey, which guy with Bridget? Oh, alright, so yeah. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go cycle. I have more stuff in the car, I have more goodies in the car, so I'm gonna go get them. So I don't know. I don't know. So here, guys, I'm gonna get the goodies. You guys, Mr. Adi, I'm getting ties and the start play.
Let me see you had to go find them to do this brother and sister time.
Oh yeah, the gym. Yeah, last night we got the gym because
See you yesterday. Daddy.
Once, you know, blue.
when's the blue one?
Daddy, I missed you all day yesterday.
I miss you guys too. Miss you guys a lot.
I was wondering, you said you are coming on Thursday, but you would come on, but you came on Wednesday.
Yeah, so I wanted to surprise you guys.
Cause you didn't want to wait this long for when you didn't want us to make us very sad.
Yeah.
And you're very staying at Kingston very long.
Hey, let me try the sandals.
So, if you want to put her, you want me to take her, I kind of do it, you know, want to take her. Just put her right there, or station a car go too far. Yeah, I was supposed to say, don't touch her.
Yeah.
Coming home from work.
Yeah.
So,
I go first.
baby girl. That is will come, yeah?
Wide eyelash.
You know what?
Wide eyelash.
Your white foot.
Put the lights to the foot.
Oh, your foot too white, them slippers. Let me see. The toes, them are spread out. Well, at least in a short, in a too long, so. So you don't like her?
Without the uptone.
You know, the uptown foot.
Sorry, working people.
Working people, your bill fee. Work.
Gonna be but
I don't know. You know, to be honest, we just see the place. I'm gonna ask Jody, like, what over there? And she tell me, say, them sell slippers and stuff.
yeah.
Yeah, me never have a clue, like, what is, I don't know what is Bridget Sanders. I didn't know what was Bridget
You never
Sanders.
know?
No.
So what Bridget Sanders is like a Jamaican thing?
Yeah. I saw them say a Jamaican, a local made, yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So I'm going to go over there and ask a whole question, and it might sound, I had to make sure I tell the guy that please don't be offended because I don't know anything about this stuff, not my neck of the woods.
It's nice. I really wanted some for vacation. Yeah.
Watch it, two of them. Watch it, two of them. Watch it, two of them.
Zoom in.
I zoom in to get me.
No,
So guys, I'm gonna change. Mila, you look like you want daddy or girl.
I really like.
I'm coming. Yeah, come in, baby girl. Alright.
Girl. No, not zoom.
Alright, we'll show from the angle.
Whatever.
Look stay first. You look nice, guys. What you think? Look at.
Yeah. Like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. I finally came to start the work on my tooth implant journey, and I'm in the facility that calls Dental U. I'm going to do my tooth implant, and so ironically, I looked at the picture and I saw it says Russia, so I came closer to read, and you know, the doctor who works here actually is a Russian Jamaican, and it's very interesting. We're gonna find out. So this place is probably running by a Russian Jamaican. Nice. She's a doctor here. Yeah. We finally reach the point where I can start do my implant. I'm not sure if that will solve my problem with TNG. Well, hopefully, because I kind of still have it. But it's better. It's not getting worse, at least. Yeah. Hey, Mila. Mila, say hi. Mila is looking for tea. Next, Russian Jamaican. Russian Jamaican. So basically, that lady on the wall, the doctor in that place, she left Russia. She lived in Russia for 21 years. and she decided to move to Jamaica. She has a Russian mother and Jamaican father, so she decided to embrace her Jamaican side and moved to Jamaica. Do you want to live in Russia or you want to live in Jamaica?
Live in Russia.
You want to go to Russia? You want to embrace your mother's side though? Whose side you want to embrace, Leo? Russia or Jamaica? Eh? Russia or Jamaica? Russia? Alright, Russia. Gotta tell daddy. Yeah. So what you gonna say? Say no? Say something then.
Maybe then I'll go to Russia first, then go back to Jamaica.
Oh, you want to go to Russia first?
And then go back to Jamaica.
And then go back to Jamaica? What you gonna do in Russia then?
Make some money.
You're gonna make some money in Russia? Okay. And then you're gonna come back to Jamaica and invest your money in Jamaica? What you gonna buy with your money that you're gonna make in Russia? What you gonna buy?
Food.
Eh?
Food and a house.
Food and a house? Oh, shh.
And what?
You're really here, son. You might go to Russia, make some money, and then come back to Jamaica. I say, what do you want to do with the money? He said, I go buy food and a house. Yes, that's good. That's good. Nothing wrong with it. Yeah. Yeah. And what you gonna buy, Danny, with your money that you're gonna make in Russia? Eh? What you gonna buy with the money that you're going to make in Russia?
They give it to my parents.
You're gonna give it to your parents? Wow, thank you. You're gonna give all your money to mommy, though? Nice.
And daddy.
And daddy too? Okay. What else you read?
To go the university in Zenit.
In a where?
Zenit, St. Petersburg.
Zenit is not the city. It's not St. Petersburg.
St. Petersburg State Medical University. Yes.
Taba.
Aye.
See any? Are you gonna clean the teeth? Them teeth? Oh, okay. You're gonna clean your teeth. First time cleaning your teeth? Oh, gee. What kind of... What was in it? Can't be Zenit. Can't be Zenit. Did I St. Petersburg? She go study? She went to State Medical University in Russia. The lady go in 2004, graduated as a doctor, specialized in dentistry in 2009. Yeah, she went to the St. Petersburg University. You go?
You feel another? Feel good? It's okay? Not bad, right? Not scared anywhere? Not scared of sleep. There's some build up on the teeth. Okay. So that's good? No, as in that it didn't get too hard. So you think that, what do you think caused that? Too much candy eating? Not brushing properly? Okay. And then when I'm going to start to brush your teeth. Yeah. And then he's saying not brushing properly, so daddy's going to have to do it for you. Alright? You're not ready yet. So we allow him to brush his teeth, but I guess he's not. We allow him to brush his teeth, but I guess he's not doing it properly. See your teeth? So the dentist says one of the next teeth should come out soon. If not, you're gonna have to do an X-ray to see. Because it should come out in a pair. But you just turned 7. So I give a time. Alright. First too much another. Oh, sure. Daddy's gonna brush your teeth for you. Dentist says you're not brushing your teeth properly. You and Ronaldo. What you doing in the bathroom in the daytimes and the night time? Yeah? Not brushing your teeth. You're playing with your teeth. Big baby here. Big baby here.
One of my teeth were white.
One of them white. So what about the rest?
It was only two of them.
Only two of them.
Two of these were kind of yellow.
Okay. And now she clean them for you.
Didn't make any sense how those were the only two that was yellow.
Yeah, that mean you're not
So I
brush.
sure that when I looked in my teeth, those two were the only one that were yellow and the others were white.
Okay. You start eat a lot of candy. You start to follow Ronaldo and eat a lot of candy now. Yes, you see last night with more candy?
Yeah, but I didn't eat all of it. I just took like 4 bites and then gave mommy half.
But they used to be like that. They used to don't eat any candy. They just fall for the chop. You make mommy tired.
Used to be like me,
Yeah, I'm not eating any candy. I know you start to eat a lot of candy like Ronaldo and mommy.
but now I'm not going.
You're not going to? No, man, go and enjoy. You're young. Alright?
Am I done?
I think so. Let's see.
No. Okay, good.
Okay, let me see the teeth now. Nice. So he has his first molars, has his central and lateral incisors, both top and bottom. Going to just check if anything's sticking in there. So you can treatment plan him for serums. Four molars there. So, are you brushing your teeth well twice a day? Before you go bed? You do follow all the instructions? Okay. You was good? Oral hygiene good? Good? Very good. Confident?
So right after cleaning teeth, what are you doing? Just clean your teeth. You put so much bread in your mouth and all that? Well, take your time. The teeth is white. Wait, where are you? I can't see. Say that again. Your teeth is white. Alright. They look clean. Even my teeth look so clean on the inside and everything. Yeah, it is. But doctor said I need to get a soft toothbrush and brushing too hard. So my gum is going down. Yeah, I brush my teeth too hard. And I really think that too, so. Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. So remember, you can get your books on Amazon. This is our book, Life with the Stevens, Finding Financial Independence. Just search Life with the Stevens or Era Stevens and you can find my autobiography on Amazon as well. Please check the link in the description if you are interested in booking our Airbnbs in Portmore and in Orchards. So thanks again for watching, take care, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.